Let's take a look at this problem. We got x squared minus 2x minus 7 is equal to 0. And we'll use quadratic formula. Well, it's got 0 on one side, so that's a start. Now we need to identify the a, b, and c. A is the numbers for your x squared, which is 1. B is numbers for your x, which is negative 2. And c is your number at the end, which is negative 7. Our quadratic formula is x equals negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now we're going to go through and we'll replace our variables with sets of parentheses. Everything else remains exactly the same. We just replace the variables with parentheses. Now everywhere we had a b, we'll plug in negative 2. Everywhere we had an a, we'll plug in 1. And everywhere we had a c in our formula, we'll plug in negative 7. Well, negative negative gives us positive 2, plus or minus, square root. Negative 2 squared is 4. Negative 4 times 1 is negative 4 times a negative 7 gives you a positive 28 all over 2. 4 plus 28 is 32 over 2. Now 32 we can simplify. It's actually 5 2's. If we look at the prime factorization, 32 is 2 times 16, 2's prime, so we circle it. 16 is 2 times 8, 2's prime, so we circle it. 8 is 2 times 4, 2's prime, so we circle it. And 4 is 2 times 2, and those are both primes, so we circle it. So this becomes 2 plus or minus square root 5 2's all over 2. Now, square root, we're looking for a pair of something. Well, here's a pair of 2's here, so they're going to come out in front as a single 2. And here's a pair of 2's. They're going to come out in front as a single 2. So we got 2 plus or minus 2 times 2. When they come out with multiplication between them. And then we're left with this 2 right here inside, over 2, which gives us 2 plus or minus 4 square root of 2 over 2. Should be called the 3-number rule. If you can divide this number, and this number by the same number, do so. Well, they're all divisible by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, plus or minus 4 divided by 2 is 2, square root of 2, over 2 divided by 2 is 1, which then just gives us 1 plus or minus 2 square root of 2 for our answer.